Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what this cat has been doing here. Look at this. He's making a mess. Where does he think he's going? Hey you. Hey cat. What do you think you're doing? Huh? You ever how he's meowing? Yeah. So, I'm using my other old phone today because my iPhone is not working properly. So, I'm just doing my old phone. I have one more chemo to go. I have a doctor's appointment with the radiation therapist on Wednesday. I know you can't see me. It's a little dark in here, so sorry, guys. My daughter's still asleep. We just got her from the airport a while at 12 o'clock last night. If you can see the sign, let me just. It says here. Oh, it says welcome back home. She was really welcomed home. I'm sorry about my hands again, guys. So, I found a laptop. I can't find the rest of the stuff for it, so I can use it for the podcast. So I have to hunt for all the stuff, and hopefully my husband can fix my iPhone so I can get Wi-Fi in this stupid thing. Maybe you guys can help me out. Oh, wait a minute. So, see, it's not saying, it says has no Wi-Fi. And we have it on Wi-Fi. See, I don't know. I'm still getting my emails though and everything, so, except for videos. So, I'm sorry about my hands. Old phone, actually. So I'll see you. If you like this video, I'm sorry, I'm just awake today. If you like this video and you like to see more of cat antics and cancer updates, just like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. And have a great day, guys. Bye.